Hope you have a good lawyer, my ex-wife said after showing up at court pregnant, demanding my house, custody, and support. We'd been separated 8 months when the final hearing rolled around. Simple divorce, no kids, everything already agreed on. I'd keep the house since it was in my name. She'd keep her car and furniture, clean break. Then Marissa walked into the courtroom wearing a tight white dress with an impossible-to-miss baby bump. She looked 7 months pregnant, and I hadn't seen her in person since we separated. My brain completely froze. Her lawyer stood immediately. Your Honor, my client is 7 months pregnant with Mr. Holt's child. We request modification of all divorce terms to include prenatal support, custody arrangements, and property division for the child's stability. 7 months would put conception right before she moved out. The judge ordered an expedited paternity test and postponed the hearing for 2 weeks. As Marissa walked past me leaving the courthouse, she leaned in close. Hope you have a good lawyer. You're going to need one. That night, I checked my calendar. Last time we were together was March 15th. It was now October 22nd, exactly 7 months and a week. The dates lined up perfectly, which terrified me. The next morning, I received an anonymous email. She's lying about the dates. Meet me tomorrow. Bring no one. I met the mysterious sender at a downtown cafe. They showed up in a hoodie and sunglasses, immediately offering to sell me proof for $200. I refused to buy mystery evidence from a stranger and left. My attorney connected me with Frank Delgado, a private investigator and ex-cop. Within days, Frank started finding inconsistencies. Marissa's Facebook showed photos from February with a guy named Dylan Mercer, his arm around her, Valentine's dinner together, beach trips in early March. Then Marissa got in a minor car accident. The hospital ER records from her checkup listed her as 21 weeks pregnant, not 7 months. That's 5 months, not 7. Frank dug deeper. He found bank transfers from our joint account to her sister Tessa's account, all dated around when Marissa ordered something from a costume supply website, Maternity Belly Stage 3. She'd bought the fake bump online and reimbursed Tessa through small transfers. The anonymous sender emailed again, this time with an ultrasound file Marissa had submitted to court. The metadata showed it was created in 2019, authored by someone else entirely, with a different hospital's watermark. She'd edited someone else's ultrasound in Photoshop. Finally, the sender revealed herself, Kayla Summers, Dylan's ex-fiancée. She provided text messages between Marissa and Dylan from March discussing how Jason can carry the bills for a while until the divorce was final. Dylan had responded, you sure he won't ask for tests? Marissa replied, if he does, we stall. He's clueless. At the second hearing, everything came together. Marissa's lawyer presented the same story. 7 months pregnant, needs the house. Then my attorney introduced the evidence. Hospital records showing 21 weeks, the fake belly purchase receipt, the altered ultrasound with mismatched metadata, bank transfers to Tessa. The judge called Tessa to testify under subpoena. She admitted everything. Yes, I changed the ultrasound date at Marissa's request. I handed her the maternity belly she bought online. She told me it was to keep the house. Dylan Mercer himself showed up and addressed the court. I want to acknowledge I'm the father. I have messages, photos, dates. I was told she just needed financial help from her ex. I want my name on my kid's birth certificate. The judge broke the seal on the DNA test envelope and read aloud. Preliminary results indicate 0% probability of paternity for Mr. Holt. Probability exceeds 99% for Mr. Mercer. The courtroom went completely silent. The judge ruled immediately. Original divorce settlement stands as filed. Then he referred Marissa to the district attorney for perjury and fraud charges for submitting altered medical records and false testimony. All legal costs would be her responsibility. Finally, he granted a no-contact order between us, effective immediately.